Hey family, welcome back to Rose Kunik's channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate. And if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, give this video a like, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video, guys. Yeah, so today I'm coming live from my home place. Yeah, and as you know, I have been in a village for a good period of time. Yeah, so guess what? It's time for me to pack back to school. Yeah, so I just need to go back to school, guys, because I've been in a village and hope you enjoy the content that I've been creating right here in the village. So today I just wished like we should pack together because I want to go back to school. And since you know I'm in Moi University, I'm in my final year, and I just have 4 months only to finish school. And I'm very excited because after school I'll be creating content for you guys. Yeah, so today just be with me. Keep me company as I pack my things because I want to go back to Moi University, which is located in Uasin Gishu County in Eldoret in Kenya, Africa. Yeah, so guys, just be together with me. I really love you so much. And if you are watching but you've not subscribed, kindly hit that subscription button for me. I will appreciate so much. Yeah, so be with me as I do it, guys. Let's pack. Guys, before we start packing, I want to show you my outfit of the day. This is how I look. Just have a look and let me get to know what you think about it. Yeah, can you look at it? That's how I look today. Yeah, can you see that, guys? Yo. Let me get to know what you think about my outfit of the day. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to park while seated, and this is where I have been sleeping. This is my bed, and as you can see, there's some clothes right here, and this is what I'm going to pack in my bag. Yeah, so these are some of the clothes that I'll be going with at school. Yeah, and this is my bag that I'll be using. Can you see? Backpack. Can you see this bag? School bag? Yeah. As for me, I normally travel with a simple bag. I don't like carrying suitcase because I feel like it is a burden to me. So I like this small bag because I can carry it very easily. Yeah, so I'll be putting my stuffs right inside here, my clothes which I'll be putting on while I'm at school. Yeah, so just watch, guys. I'll appreciate if you watch till the end. I really love you so much. Yeah, so these are some of the things I'm going to pack, and let's start immediately, guys. Yeah, so right now I have opened my bag and I'll be placing it down here, so I'll be putting some clothes inside. Yeah, so it's down there, and I'll be taking clothes as we put inside together with you. Yeah, so just watch and see what I'm going to pack and what I'm going to leave. Yeah, so as you can see here, there are few clothes. I just carried a few clothes because I left some of them at school. So today I'm going to pack just a few. Yeah, just watch. And I'm going to start with dresses. Dress number one is this one. Yeah, it is pink in color, and this color is baby pink. Yeah, this baby pink, and I love the fact that it has some glitters on it. Can you see that, guys? So beautiful. I really love it. Yeah, so let me open it so that you can see. Can you see how it looks? Yeah, and even on hand side it has some glitters. Yeah, so this is my dress number 1, which I'll be packing. Yeah, so let me fold it. Let me fold it. That's number 1. In my bag, dress number 2. I'll be carrying this dress. I really love it so much. Can you see? Can you see it? It's flare. Yeah. And it is off shoulder, guys. Can you see that? It's off shoulder. Wow, I really love this dress. It's so good. Yeah, so let's fold it. This is my dress number 2, and I'm putting it in my bag. Dress number 3. Yeah. Hope you've ever seen this. Yeah, in my videos. I really love it too. Yeah, I really love this dress too. Can you see it, how beautiful it is? And I love the fact that it holds me very well. Yeah, so it's very tight to me and I love it. Yeah, so this dress number 3, let's fold it inside my bag, my Gucci bag. Okay, I think I'm done with dresses, so I'll be carrying 3 dresses. Let's go to skirts. I'm really not a fan of skirts, but I'm carrying this pencil skirt. Can you see? With a hidden zip. No, it's not hidden, but it's just a pencil skirt, gray in color. Yeah, I'll be carrying this one. Wow, I really love it. Let me put inside. Then I'll be wearing that skirt with this top. Yeah, I really love this top. Hope you've ever seen it in my videos. I really love this top. It is a chiffon top and I love it so much. Can you see that, guys? Yum. See? Wow, so good. Let's fold it and put in our bag. Yeah. Then next is shorts. This is my first short, my kitenge short. I really love it. Can you see that, guys? Wow, it's so good. I really love it. Hope you've ever seen it in my videos. I really love this top. It is a chiffon top and I love it so much. Can you see that, guys? Yum. See? Wow, so good. Let's fold it and put in our bag. Yeah. Then next is shorts. This is my first short, my kitenge short. I really love it. Can you see that, guys? Wow, it's so good. I really love it. My kitenge short. I love it. And I love the fact that the lace has been placed here. Yeah, the yellow lace, so it's matching with some yellow colors in that kitenge. Can you see that, guys? Yeah, so our second short, jeans. This is my jeans short and it is ragged. Can you see that? This is my jeans shirt. Yeah, I love it. And the back, it's so good. Yeah, so let me fold. I'll be carrying 2 shorts only. Let me put it in our bag. It's almost full. Yeah. So next is trousers. I'll be carrying few trousers. This is number 1 trouser. Yeah. This is my black jeans trouser. And I love the fact that it's rugged. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'll be putting on this trouser with this cut top. With this cut top. Well, can you see how transparent it is? I really love it and it's so facial. I really love this top. Can you look at the hands? Yeah, this is how it's made and I love it. So I'll be putting on this blouse or top with this black trouser. Yeah. So let's pack. Our next is the second trouser. Yeah. This one, our khaki pants trouser. Which color is this? Tea blue. Yeah, this tea blue. For those who don't know this color, it is tea blue color. Yeah, so this is my khaki pant. A tea blue khaki pant. Can you see that? Yeah, I really love it too. This is my second trouser. Yeah. So guys, let me get to know what you think about it. And I'll be putting on my khaki pant or tea blue khaki pant with this crop top. Can you see that? Wow, I really love this crop top. And the fact that I don't have a flat tummy, but I normally try. Yeah, I'm real with a belly or a potty. But I'm really happy. Yeah, so I'll be putting this on. So let's pack. Wow, the bag is getting full. Can you see? Wow. Then, hope I'm through with the clothes. As you can see, I'm done with the clothes. Those are enough for me. For those who feel like there are few clothes, men, they're just enough for me. And I'm really comfortable. And as I told you earlier, I carried a few clothes when coming back home. So I left some of them at school, but it's it's just fine for me. Yeah, so it's time to pack my ankle socks, and as you know, in Eldoret it's very cold. You need to have these guys here. So I have just carried some few ankle socks here. Can you see them? Yeah, I think that 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, so these ankle socks are enough for me and ready to go. Let me pack. Our next is confidentials. Confidentials. Yeah. So I'm going to pack some confidentials, but you will just see them. So let's start. Here is number 1. For the ladies, you understand this. These are sanitary pad, and it's just essential for me. I just need to have some packets, enough packets for me, because ladies, you understand what I mean, yeah? 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? So 4 packets are enough for me to finish my semester. Yeah, so let's pack, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Last but not least, No, it's not last. Essentials, my dear. When you work with the sanitary pads, you need to have these. These are very essential. Yeah, so let's pack the tissue papers. Can you see? Yeah, this one. When they get finished, I'll buy another one. Oh my god, I was forgetting my designer belts. And the fact that I like putting on trousers. Yeah, I've just placed here two trousers, but I have some. Yeah, so that's why I like this designer belt. Yeah, for ladies, you understand this. So let me try. Then, can you see this small bag here? Yeah, this small bag. It is carrying number ones. Number ones. Yeah, so can I show you guys? But it's not good. They are personal. Yeah, I can show you my number ones. These are my panties. Yeah, so I'll be packing them. Yeah, and then my shoe, my cute boots, my beautiful. I'm done with the packing. I'm done with packing, guys. I'm ready to go back to school. Yeah, Moi is waiting. Moi University, your girl is coming. Yeah, so I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, that's why I like carrying a small bag because it's very simple for me to carry it when traveling. Yeah, so guys, I'm done with the packing. Let me get to know what you think about my packing. Have I done the wrong thing or the right thing, guys? Let me get to know. Just drop a comment down below. Yeah, and I will know what you think about it. See you soon on my next video. Bye bye.